start with 1 to 2 apples. I cut up 2 apples here, and then you're going to slice them horizontally just like I did. And then in another bowl, you're going to want to combine 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. And I used stevia as the sugar. And then you're going to preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees for just a few minutes. I have it set there for 3. It's super, super easy to use, and I just love this thing. So then you're going to take your apple slices and you're going to roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture. So I like to work in batches here. I'll put a few out just so they're all even. I don't pile any on top. And then you're going to put them in for 7 to 8 minutes. And if it's still at 390 degrees, and then you're going to flip them about halfway through. Now we're going to move on to the sweet dipping sauce. I took some almond milk and then some protein powder. I put a little bit too much in this little container, but you get the gist of it. It is so, so good and goes so well with these apple slices. I love this snack. So it's a perfect balance of sweet and healthy carbs and then your healthy plant proteins. So for this, you're going to want to take 1 8-ounce package of tofu, and I use the extra firm. And so you're going to want to rinse and cube that just like I am here. Then in another bowl, you're going to want to take 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some water. I took about 2 teaspoons. I did add a little bit through here just so it's a little bit less stiff. And then you're going to want to take your tofu cubes and dump them about half in at first and mix that all together. And then you're going to want to take the other half and add that in as well. This mixture tastes so good. You're going to let it marinate for 30 minutes. And then you are going to put it in the air fryer. And it's going to be set at 350 degrees for 18 minutes. And you can stir it like once. It doesn't really stick, which is awesome. There was no oil. This is super, super healthy. And you guys, this is crazy how much it tastes like chicken. It is so amazing. And then we're going to take 2 potatoes, so about 1 pound, and these are just white potatoes, and you are going to want to kind of slice them in thin, like 1-inch lengths, just like I'm doing here. Then you're going to want to take 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you're going to just want to mix that all up together. And then put it in the little fryer tin. Then you're going to want to cook these for 16 minutes, and you can kind of mix them up 1 or 2 times in between there. But they are so good, they're so crispy and yummy, and they're so healthy for you.